Hello guys and welcome back. How are you doing? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today I want to unbox my Allure Beauty Box for the month of July 2025. I just received it in the mail. I wanted to do this unboxing in my car today because I have some guests at my house and I don't have any peaceful place to film this video, so I thought we would do it in the car. I hope you guys don't mind the background, and I also have little bit of air condition on because it's hot, so I hope you don't mind the noise. But let's unbox it together, you guys. The first thing I noticed with this box is it is very lightweight. Like, I cannot believe how lightweight it is. For the 5 items, it's like 2 items on the inside. I have never received this lightweight box before, so I'm a little bit curious to see what's inside. I know that we are receiving Haus Labs blush, but rest I don't know what they have this month. So here is what it is on the inside, and let's start with the blush first. So this is the Haus Labs by Lady Gaga blush. This one calls Color Fuse Glassy Blush Balm. I picked mine in the shade Glassy Pitaya. I hope I'm saying that right. Here is the shade name. And let's open this together and see how it is on the inside. So here is the packaging for it. This is my second product from Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. Both of the products are from Allure Beauty Box. I'm so excited to receive full size of blush. It is so cute. I wanted a pink blush. Let's swatch it. Wow, it is extremely pigmented and beautiful. Right now I already have makeup on, so I don't want to put it right now, but the shade looks really nice. And let's blend it and see the formula. Yeah, it looks like it's going to stain on the skin, which is a nice thing. Looks like a very long lasting formula. I think it's a very nice product to receive in the box. I thought I would show you guys the product from the back camera as well. So here is how it is, and this is the amount of the product you get on the inside. I twisted all the way to show you guys, and this typically goes for $34. Second item I see in this box is the Professional Smoothing Face Primer from Benefit. I actually like this item a lot, so it's nice to see this. I don't know if it is full size. I think it's a full size, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like full size to me. It's way bigger than the mini one, so it's a very nice item to receive in the box. Smooth all over face with fingertips. Use alone or under makeup. I have used this in the past. It's a very nice primer, so this also is amazing item to receive in the box. So here is the primer on the inside. I'm pretty sure pretty much everyone have used this primer once in their life, and this is the product, and when you blend it, it is clear. Now for the third item, they send this Paul Michael Repairerative oil. So it's an hair care product. They send a lot of hair care items, which I'm not too fond of because I don't do a lot of experiments with my hair, or I don't use a lot of chemicals for my hair. So I don't know how I feel about it, but whenever I receive hair care items, I gift to my mom. She loves hair care items, so this might be going to her soon. And when I unboxed it, this is all what you get. It's a very mini little size, 25 ml, but it goes for $28. Next item, they also send me this Skin & Co ultra gentle botanical face cleansing gel. It's a very little tiny size, so they send this. I don't know, I think I have tried one of their serums from one of the Allure boxes in the past. It was an okay product, but it's nice to receive it in the box, I guess, because I like these mini sizes for traveling. I travel a lot, so it's really nice to keep it with you when you're traveling. This item does not have much of a value. It is available on Amazon for only $5 right now. And then, wow, now this is exciting. Tatcha, the Dewy skin cream. This is a very little size. I have also gone through the same size in the past. It's a very nice cream. and it's very moisturizing, hydrating. If you have dry skin, you will love it. So this item is also very nice to receive in the box. This mini size of moisturizer for Tatcha goes for $25, and it is so beautiful under makeup as well. Here you can see the finish it gives. You don't even need primer when you use this product if you have dry skin. And they also send your blemish hero. You get 6 blemish patches from brand Hero. I actually really like their acne patches, and I have only used the red one. I have not tried this blue one, so it's also nice to receive in this box. Now this little set retails for $6.99 at Ulta Beauty, and when you open it up, this is all what you get. So yeah, this is all what they have sent me this time, you guys, and I do feel that I love this box. Especially these 3 items are really nice items to receive in beauty box. So yeah, this is all what we received this month. The total value for this box is $134. I thought I would show you guys the products I'm loving so much from the last month's Allure Beauty box. This lip liner from Buxom is fantastic. I would highly recommend you this. I absolutely love the formula. I love how easy it is to blend, and I feel that it is pretty long wearing, which is a very nice thing for a lip liner. I loved this liner so much that I used a coupon at Ulta to get another color. I picked up this beautiful red color at Ulta Beauty because the formula is so nice, and red is a very beautiful color for a lip liner. I feel that here you can see. I would highly recommend you these lip liners. It is crazy that recently I found these lip liners at Ross for only $6.99. I will show you soon in my future video, but these lip liners are definitely one of the best. And also for the last month's box, I used this Naked Sunday SPF of 50 priming lotion. I am almost finished with it, and I love this product so much. I thought I would show you guys. It is a mineral sunscreen, but it is very nice formula, and also it's a very nice primer for your makeup. I used it pretty much every single day, and now I am finished with it, so I thought I would show you guys this as well. So yeah, that'd be all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this little unboxing. In case you do, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate you a lot if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And for now, I'll let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching me today. I'll see you soon in my next one.